Hey guys, what's up? It's Awesome Billy with Option Traders, and today I want to do a quick day trading recap, even though once again I did not trade anything. I'm trying to get away from the momentum type trades that I was doing in the past. Yes, it did work, but I lost. I well, the way that the momentum trades works is that I would make a lot of money, but then when I was wrong and I lost a lot more than my winners. And I found out that when I stuck to the triangle pattern, or the pattern that I like to use, that I was winning more consistently, and that my losers were a lot smaller than my winners. So I decided that I'm going to try to do this strategy through and see if I can actually get a proper, statistics on it, and what is my overall percentage of profit, and all that good stuff. So I'm trying to stick to the triangle patterns, which none showed itself in SPX or SPY today, but I still want to go over the market. So as you can see here, this is the S&P 500 index. We have this huge shoot down, and then we have this action, and now we're consolidating into this little, some people would say a triangle pattern here, where we're forming these higher lows and then these lower highs. We're starting to go in. What has happened the past few days? Well, we have had a bunch of indecision candles. So this is the daily chart. So we went up, we had an indecision candle, we had a huge run down. We had another indecision candle, which is a doji, or it's ones with long wicks and a small body. So as you can see here, we have a small body and wick, and then we reversed, and then we went up the next day, and then we had a little indecision candle, and then we went down, and then a tiny bit of an indecision down, indecision back up, indecision. So what was I looking for today? Well, when I went into the day, I was really looking. I would have loved for it to go down after this indecision candle from yesterday, but I knew that with the news following Trump and the Iran deal, or I should say leaving the Iran deal, we were going to be super choppy, but I thought that we would at least have some good setups later in the day after the news came out, but that did not happen. So let's go into a closer time frame, the 2-minute time frame, and let's take a look real quick. So SPX, in the morning we have a gap down. I don't know if I would necessarily call this a triangle. It's not the best triangle, but I guess it could be classified as one still. This would be looking for a continuation, for the continuation downward, gap down, consolidate, push back down. That's not what happened. We shot up, so I wasn't ready for that. I did not play it. Then there's just no clear movement. Now if we go to this day, we can see that the red candles, and it's just prevalent, it's all red, and then when we're trending up, it's all green, all red. That's something that we're looking for. Here you can see it's like we opened and we're like red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, green, red, green, red, blah, blah, blah. So we're really choppy here, and it's not good to trade in choppy markets unless you are using strategies, is like selling a strangle, which is when you want to keep it in between two prices. That is a great time to have it. But right now it's just not a good day trading time. It was too choppy, and I didn't want to take any positions. Right here, as you can tell, is when President Trump entered the room to start speaking, and we had a lot of stuff going on. We had a huge shoot up and then a huge push down, and then we recovered that profit throughout the ending of the day. And so that's what happened on the S&P 500 index, as well as the same thing happened for SPY, just a little choppier in my opinion. Now let's look at other stocks. Facebook, super choppy. Boeing, choppy. Netflix, choppy as well. Tesla was the play of the day, I think, if you would have got in at around here. I called it out around the 303 area. I was like, hey guys, watch Tesla, it's going to rip, or it's ripping. It's going up, and we ended up going up to the 307 level. That would have been a nice call place. I did not play it because I just didn't. Don't have any lines on this chart. I don't know where my support and resistance is. I just knew that we were having a run up. Let's take a look at Apple. Nothing much, just a choppiness. So basically the whole market as a whole was just super choppy. There would have been a lot of great fade trades today. What is a fade trade? You have a huge push up in the morning, and then it fades off the rest of the day. So a lot of great puts. But personally, I'm trying to stick to this one strategy first so I can get it down before I expand on to other ones, because I don't really know where my entrance would be on a fade trade. But still, there was a lot of good moves if you were trading the right stocks and you were trading right. But most of the market was choppy. I'm looking forward to a better market tomorrow because we don't have any pending huge major news like the president speaking. So I hope you all learned something. Please like, subscribe. I do comment on trades and the best patterns and the best things that I do personally to succeed in trading in the stock market. And if you want to be a part of this content in the group below, click on the Discord link, and thank you all for watching.